Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up the Monese banking application on your mobile phone. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Play Store application on your mobile phone, or if you have an iPhone, go ahead and open up the App Store. But let's go ahead guys and open up the App Store, and after opening it up guys, now we can search for the application that we want to download at the top of the page in the search bar. So click on the search bar guys, and now we want to go ahead and search for Monese. So guys, go ahead and search for that. And after searching for that guys, now you'll see we'll be greeted by multiple results right here, and one of them is going to go ahead and be called Monese. So guys, go ahead and click on that Monese mobile money account, and this is the application that we want to download. So guys, go ahead and click on the install button that appears right here. After clicking on install guys, this will now start the installation process where it will take a couple of minutes, but after a couple of moments, it's going to go ahead and download the application on our mobile phone. So as you can see here guys, now we have successfully installed the application, and now we can go ahead and open it up on our mobile phone. So go ahead guys, go back to the home page of your mobile phone and find the application. Here is the application that we're going to use, and go ahead and open up the Monese application guys. After opening the application guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and select the info such as the language that you want to use, and you can go ahead and get started signing in for an account or logging into one if you'll have one already. So after doing that guys, you can go ahead and get started with setting up the application. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.